that there was no digging. He denied that he nagdig ang PNP.
So the answer, sir, is no. I did not say things that Dr. Badoy is attributing to me. About sa digging na yan, allegation ni Attorney Torion yan, let him prove that. Bigyan niya rin ng sworn statement kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop.
Birthday na yun, Tay. Birthday mo. Pinadalan ko kaya ng pira.
Corner na corner at wala nang kawala pa si General Torre at hindi na nagawang makapagsinungaling dahil lahat ng mga pinagsasabi niyang kasinungalingan, ang lahat pala ay nakarecord at may video. Napaamin din si General Torre na meron silang ginagawang hukay sa loob ng JMCFI building dahil sa heartbeat na nasagap ng kanilang detector at positive na heartbeat daw ito galing kay Pastor Apollo si Kibuloy. Matapos nga na mismong mga senador na ang nakakita ng butas, nakakatapal lang ng mga pulis dahil may gagawin silang inspeksyon. Ayon pa kay General Torre sa kanyang mga presscon na Photoshop lang daw ang picture na ipinakita ni Attorney Torion sa kanyang Facebook na merong ginagawang tunnel si General Torre sa kakatapos lang din na pagdinig sa Senado sa isyu na kinakaharap ng KOJC. Sinabi ni General Torre na hindi niya sinabi na Photoshop lang ang ipinakita na picture ng tunnel ni Attorney Torion sa kanyang Facebook. Pero nang ipinakita na ni Doc Loren Badoy sa presscon ni General Torre na sinabi niya na let them prove it, ako kaya kong gawin niyang tunnel na yan sa Photoshop. Booking ang kasinungalingan ni General Torre sa ginagawa niyang pagsisinungaling sa mainstream media sa tuwing meron siyang interview. Dahil wala nang magawa si General Torre, inamin na lang niya ito at inako ang lahat ng responsibilidad dahil ang ginawa pala nilang pagbutas sa GMCFI building ay wala palang permit na kinuha si General Torre. Oh my God! At pati ang 7 mga sibilyan na pinasuot nila ng uniform ng mga pulis at ang lahat ng sinira ng mga pulis sa KOJC compound ay ang PNP na lang daw ang bahala. At hindi rin kumasa sa hamon ni Attorney Torion si General Torre na sabay silang gagamit ng proton elec at kapag mapatunayan na walang bunker o tunnel sa loob ng compound ng KOJC compound ay lalayas na ang mga pulis sa loob. Ayon pa sa mga netizen, just to prove na sabi mo merong tunnel kasi di po ba sabi doon nagtatago si Kibuloy? Now, kung ma-prove na walang tunnel tapos lahat bawat hirap both sides kasi kaya naman nagstay dyan dahil nakita nyo sa machine na yan, kawawa din ang mga students kasi mga pulis pagod din sila. Ganda ng challenge, same equipment. Naman ano ang kinakatakot dyan? Sabay silang maghahanap kasi totoo wala naman silang hinahanap kaya ayaw. Ayon lang sa sagot kasi kung alam mo na tama ang ginagawa nila, di kakasana sila dyan para matapos.
Ganito kasi yan. I'm not reading their minds, no? Pero siguro sa expertise, you have 3,000 policemen na hindi mga minero, hindi marunong maghukay, hindi marunong maghanap ng bina. Ito siguro, hinahire nila yung mga tao na yun because talaga magaling yung sa paghukay. Ang gusto nating masettle nito ngayon, yung paggamit sa kanila sa paghuhukay at paghahanap doon sa kay Pastor Kibuloy ay yung kaya nga tinatanong natin yung mga legal opinions ng ating mga lawyers dito, yung ba justified ba? As far as the use of uniform, police uniform, inamin naman ni General Torre that he authorizes the use of the uniform. He authorized the use of uniform for easy access papasok doon sa loob ng kingdom.
Your Honor, kunwari may mga NPA criminal pwedeng gamitin po yan papasok sa loob. Paano po namin ma-check po, Your Honor? Anybody can do that. Wala po kasi naka-uniform na eh.
Oh, pero NPA naman yun. Mag-aaway ba itong pulis at saka
mga eskalawag at preso po, pwede pong damitan po yan, papasukin po sa loob, Your Honor. Ano pong control po dyan? Authorized pala eh.
Kaya nga natin ngayon tinatakil yan dahil nga dito tayo ngayon sa arrest at saka sa search paggamit ng tao. Ako, as far as I am concerned, I am not a lawyer pero ginamit nila yung tao para mag-search, maghanap kay Pastor Kibuloy, hindi para mag-aristo kay Pastor Kibuloy. On the contrary, the opinion of our lawyers, Sir Pulcom and other lawyers, nagsasabi na continuing yung act of arresting Pastor Kibuloy. Matagal na debate ito. Anyway, hindi ka
Sir?
pa man tapos. Narinig ko na yung side mo, pero continue ka sa presentation mo.
Sir?
We will leave that matter at usapan na yung mamaya. Attorney, isang abogado pa.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just with respect to the fact that Section 11 is very clear when they are making an arrest. Unfortunately, there is no arrest yet here. And then they use the child, they use insignia. Sir, I just want to point out, sir, that the allowing persons who are not police to use police insignia is a violation of Article 179 of the Revised Penal Code. Plus, a second thing, sir, is the fact that they use a child, a minor, to use that. That is, again, child abuse. I just want to point out that to the
Yeah, thank you. General Torre, bakit kayo gumamit ng minor? Kung digging ang purpose nyo doon, mag-hukay. Bakit? Babae ba yun? Parang babae yung lalaki ba yun? Minor. Bakit kayo gumamit ng minor?
Your Honor, I do believe at this point in time na wala namang nag-establish sa minor. Those are all allegations. And I can categorically say na walang minor dun, sir. Baka mukhang bata lang.
Mukhang bata, pero
Mukhang bata lang, but really,
for the record,
sir, na.
for the record, pinasok mo yun
It's
for the
what-
purpose of digging or
Yes,
for
sir.
the purpose of baka mamaya ang apprehension nila is gagamitin na naman ninyo doon sa loob na parang victim of trafficking na naman.
Of course not, sir. The purpose,
Yung apprehension nila, ha? Pero for the record,
the
you say it
instruments,
for the
the
record.
instruments indicate that our targets could be 4 meters below ground. And I believe that we need experts on this matter, especially on digging this hole, because we want to ensure that these people have the experience. That's not something that the police does every day. So who are the people who knows and has the experience on digging? Minero, sir.
So, with that explanation of yours, it is the impression of this committee that you admit that you really did a digging below the JMC.
Yes, sir. It's part of our
compound.
presentation later on, sir. Andiyan sa presentation ko, sir.
Kaya nga, in-admit mo.
Yes, sir.
Kala ko hindi mo i-admit. I am ready to cite you in contempt kung hindi.
Yes.
Ako mismo, you have no way to lie before me because ako mismo, pinuntahan ko kanina sa inspection kanina, hinukay namin doon, very fresh pa yung simento na ginawa at nung natanggal yung simento, yung mga kabilya na nilagay doon, hindi kabilya na construction na related ba kabilya, kundi kung saan lang napulot na kabilya yon, and yung lupa is very loose. But then, that's immaterial anymore to discuss about that because you admit that you did the digging below that the basement of GMC
Yes, sir.
building.
Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
I have lots of bosses who are class 87 and
Okay.
they can testify on the kind of destruction done. Fist of Cadet First Class Bato de la Rosa, sir, can come to them if they violate the rules, sir. So I really will not dare to do that and lie to you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Bishop,
sir.
yes, Bishop, because, it pains me to cite you in contempt if I need to do that because you are the regional director of this particular police regional office of this region. And that would be a slap on the PNP kapag ang kanilang boss ay na-cite in contempt ng isang committee hearing because of lying and or false testifying falsely before the committee.
Yes, sir.
I hate to do that.
Yes, sir.
Please make sure that you don't lie to this
It
committee.
will be part of the presentation, sir. And even the future diggings is included there, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Meron pa yung future digging.
Mr. Chair.
It's included in the presentation, sir.
Mr.
I'll
Chair.
show you, sir.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Sandali ha. Unahin ko muna si Jason sa nauna nag-kwan.
Salamat po.
Yeah.
I just want to know from the chair whether the digging was in accordance with the law. I'd like to ask, therefore, the chair to ask the PNP whether they secured a digging permit, because the structural integrity of the building, which carried preschool, kindergarten, elementary students, high school students, college students, postgraduate, nangangani po ang buhay nila kung sa integrity ng gusali, kung ito ay magkakaroon ng konting pag-inog ng mundo. Ug sabi ni siya pa, ug mulinog taon, asa man po nito ng mga batang gagmay, ngawa magit sila ibang kaagan, anang maong pangitabo. Where did they secure a permit from the building official of the city, Mr. Chair?
General Torre,
Sir,
the question is, did you secure a digging permit from the building officials of the city of Davao, or any permit from DNR for that matter? Before
No,
you
sir.
do that?
no, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Mr.
Thank
Chair,
you for that answer.
Mr. Chair, may I?
So, it's noted by this committee that he did not secure any permit
Mr.
from
Chair,
any pertinent and competent government agency that is regulating the digging operations.
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead, Attorney Fuentes.
Thank you, sir. Sir, considering that he hired civilians, may we know the names of the civilians that he hired for the digging, sir?
So, you should understand that their property was negatively impacted by the digging operation. That's why they are looking for the names of those people responsible in the digging. So, since ikaw ang nag-recruit noon, please give us the name. Submit to this committee.
Mr. Chair?
Okay?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we will...
Ilan yun? Ilan yun?
I have lost track, maybe around 7 or 6.
7.
Mr. Chair. But we will provide it to you. I'll just consult my...
Please, before this hearing ends, please submit to this
But I
committee.
would like to state for the record, Your Honor, that everything that they did is under my responsibility. I take full
That's
responsibility
good.
for their actions.
You are the commander. You should assume all responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Mr. Chair.
Assume all the responsibility. You are the commander.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Building official of Davao City.
Good
So-
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Kas Tungyani.
Again.
Right.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. May I ask General Torre if during the time of excavation and all of the construction activities done in the basement, was there a professional engineer architect supervising over the work being done?
Thank you. You heard the question. Please answer.
Yes, sir. We have structural engineers and
Sino? A regional engineering
Yes, sir.
service mo?
we have one civil, one architect, and one structural engineer, sir. I'll cover everything in the presentation, sir.
Ano doon sa presentation mo?
Sir.
Meron,
Mr. Chair.
meron silang engineer.
That question came about because earlier when General Torre was talking, he said they hired the experts for digging, which were yung mga minero. In my opinion, that's hindi siguro tama. Yung eksperto natin doon is yung minero. If yung safety, yung like it was mentioned earlier in the rules of court, yung breaking in, Your Honor, humingi kasi ako ng opinion from NBCDO, National Building Code Development Office, yung executive officer nila. I asked if yung breaking in doon is applicable to the breaking of building or demolition of any part thereof. According to the commissioner, ang sabi niya sa akin is yung breaking in can apply to breaking of a door or a window to access a building. However, yung act of demolition or breaking structural parts of a building is a regulated activity and it should need a permit or order from the court na will order perhaps the building official to give assistance to whoever is undertaking the job. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Noted. Sino yun? Sino yung tinanong ko?
Si Attorney Belderol, sir.
Sino siya?
National Building Code Development Office. I think he is the executive director or he is
Okay.
currently, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Well noted, well noted.
Mr. Chair, in connection with this, considering that I am the chairman of the board of the Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, if ever there is going to be any structural damage to the building of JMC, is the police willing to pay for the damages due to the digging that they caused?
I presume they have to pay kung mayroong court order ordering them to pay whatever damages that they have done. Am I correct, General Torre?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Mr. Chair.
Bayaran nila. Kung you file the corresponding case and pag na-desisyonan ng korte, bayaran natin sa PNP.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead.
a few days ago, General Torre was in a press con and he very clearly stated that there was no digging. He denied that he nagdig ang PNP, and he said that excavation didn't exist, and he also said that those were just Photoshop pictures.
Okay. But that statement was not given before this committee.
Yes.
Before you.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Before the public. Before the
Press
public.
con, he said it in a press con. So, Mr. Chair, this again is the problem, that he maybe can tell the truth to you, but once you leave,
For fear of
fear, yes.
becoming
yes,
being cited in contempt.
yes,
Because I am serious in my job. I don't care kung sino man, basta if you testify falsely before this committee, I have to cite you in contempt.
yes, Mr. Chair. But unfortunately, not all of us are senators, and the Filipino people are not senators, and he blatantly lied to the Filipino people about it.
Will you please respond, General Torre? Why did you lie before the Filipino people that you did not do such digging?
Sir, masyado tayong nasa sidetrack. Hindi ko maintindihan, sir, ang sinasabi ni Dr. Badoy. Kung kailang ginawa, sir, I did not do that.
Napakasimple lang.
I did not do that, sir.
Hindi ka
I did not do that and I did not say that.
Na-
If they can present to me the video, maybe I can review it. But right now, there's no video presented except for the statement of Dr. Badoy, who is delaying the presentation of Attorney Torion.
Okay, can you please give me that video?
Mr. Chair,
For
we
that,
had the press con 2 days ago, and he even challenged Attorney Torion to prove it.
Ang sabi kasi niya sa press con, he has to, that's the allegation of Attorney Torion, and he should prove it in court, and he should prove it, walang in court, he should prove it because madali, nasa Photoshop naman yan. Parang Photoshop na yan. Yun po, sabi niya.
sige, last response before we proceed para
Sometimes I'm really thinking that they don't want to proceed with their presentation. But I think that sidetracks the issue. Because as to the moment, sir, Dr. Badoy is just making an allegation, sir.
this committee
Yes, sir.
does not believe that it hijacks the issue.
Okay, sir.
That issue is very important and very relevant in this investigation.
So the answer, sir, is no. I did not say things that Dr. Badoy is attributing to me.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Later on, Dr. Badoy, you
We're retrieving the press con, Mr. Chair, where he blatantly and clearly stated that there was no excavation and that those were just Photoshop photos.
okay. Noted. Kung meron kayong recordation, palabas natin.
Mr.
Please continue.
One last
Yes.
question regarding sa excavation. Bakit po minadali nila tinabunan kaagad para hindi po nyo makita ng committee po ninyo? Madali po yun, sir. Overnight po, sir. Napakabilis po natabunan kaagad. Kung sabi niya, accountable siya doon sa paghuhukay.
Okay. Let's be frank about it. Bakit niyo tinabunan kaagad?
Sir, that will be covered my presentation, sir. Even before, without even the Senate hearing, we will cover it, sir.
Wait for your
Yes, sir.
presentation.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, naglolokohan po.
Lukuhan natin.
Naglolokohan tayo dito,
Gawin
Mr.
natin
Chair.
ito. ganun ang gusto nila.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko bang pa-play yung video para makita mo, makilala mo kung sino yung nasa kaharap mo na kumakausap sa'yo. Nasa iyo lang nagre-respeto, pero sa mga simpleng ordinaryong mamamayan na kanyang unang mandato ay wala siyang karespe-respeto.
Please play the video.
About sa digging na yan, allegation ni Attorney Torion yan, let him prove that. Wala akong sinasabi muna dyan sa mga bagay na yan, sapagkat yan ay allegation nila. Let them prove it. Yan ang gusto nila. Di, sige, let them prove it also.
Pero may photos and videos din.
Ilabas nila yung nagbigay ng photo at pakita niya rin ang, alam niya ang batas, paano dyan. Ilabas niya yung taong nagbigay at bigyan niya rin ng sworn statement. Kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop.
Sa loob ng...
Dito, Mr. Chair, napakaliwanag ng pag-admit niya sa inyo. Pero sa publiko, wala siyang pakialam, wala siyang respeto sa Pilipino. Pwede siyang magsinungaling ng hayagan. Mr. Chair, just to answer your question, Senator Bongo's question, what is the end game? The end game of the people of KOJC, of which I'm not a member of, but I've come to learn to love them, is the end game of every Filipino. At the end of the day, you just want to go home, you enjoy your family, you just want to worship your God in peace, you just want to sing and dance because they are a group of people that want to sing and dance. But even those simple pleasures have been taken away from them because of this petty tyrant, General Nicolas Torre.